Today I'd like to talk to you about how you can set up your own TV channel. Now, I got a few items here I could show you that I use to send a video signal through my master antenna system through a splitter. First and most easiest way is this thing here is what I use. It is a RF modulator. Simply has your channel 3 and 4 output. But it only gives you channel 3 and 4, and it has your component inputs, your audio, and this one even has S-video, and this one even has a bypass, so you can go antenna in to your and then use it as a bypass to go to your TV. So this would be what you'd use to send it to coax. So create your own TV station with that. This is a cheap way of doing it. Another way is you can get one of these Channel Vision. Well, not necessarily endorsing this brand, but this one actually works fine, I find. I've had okay luck with it. This, I've done a video about it before, but I'll just give you a really close-up look of it. This is a video modulator. Now this thing can modulate video, and it'll output it via coax. Here it is there. So I'll put the coax here to UHF. You can do VHF and the old cable TV frequencies. So I'll do a zoom in on this. And there's there's your video ports here. So you actually have, this one actually has 2 channels, so you can have video and audio for one channel, and you can set what you want your A channel on, and you can set to where you want your B channel on. So I use this just for extra UHF channels that I run out of a cable on a site, and it allows me to have this video source outputted. Now this is analog, but the thing about analog, it's a lot cheaper for analog. I bought this for like 30 bucks off eBay. It was secondhand, and it works great. And I've done a video about this on my last video, but to create your own TV channel, you can get one of these. I've done a whole video unboxing and explaining this thing. So what this will do, it will take your HDMI source. Yeah, it takes an HDMI source and converts it to coax. So what that will do is you can have pretty much any TV, most TVs, that are digital, that have digital tuners built into them. Now these things will work in Europe with DVB-T. It will work in North America with QAM, or in North America if you use Atsc. And what I like that this will do, Atsc, is I can combine my antenna channels with this and just have like an extra channel. So I have channel 14 it says PVI, and that's channel 14. So that's a way to get video, and it also takes video. It captures HDMI video, so I'm actually able to record it with my Lurtech. So this is a device here. It's called an Atsc modulator. It's a VECOAX MINIMOD-2. There's other ones on the market. This one I found is most reasonably priced. There's another one that does video as well, but it only does 720p. This one does full 1080p. It's a little too big. I even went to low latency, and it still is a very high bit rate, so I haven't figured out how to get the bit rate lowered so that I can just do a video transfer and just transfer to a lower resolution, lower bit rate, not resolution, but a bit rate and resolution. You set these things to 720p, 1080p, 1080i. It even does 480 if you want to go that route. This thing here is analog, so pretty much it's 480i. It's not digital at all, this Channel Vision device. But yeah, if you watch TV with an antenna and you want to have your own channel, video source channel, or you live in an apartment building and you want to create your own closed circuit system, you can get one of these devices and do that. So this is tips to make your own low power, like low distribution, local closed circuit TV channel. But it definitely is how you can create your own TV channel. if you so desire. Another thing these things would be good for are churches, if you have the speaker, or any kind of thing where you have a speaker and you want to distribute the videos around. Bars use these, actually. Bars will use these type systems for sports. They want to put it on different TVs, so they use these. TV stores, I've seen at Best Buy, where they've had their own test channel mixed in with the TV channel, so they have a device like this that will send a digital signal to their TVs just for testing and demonstration purposes. Yeah, so there's lots of different applications you can use for one of these things. So yeah, this is a quick video about that. Please check out my other videos about how I set up a master antenna system. And this thing here, I want to do more videos on this thing. So keep the questions coming on how to set up this digital device, the VECOAX MINIMOD-2. But I've still been playing around with it and having some fun. I bought a few more, because this thing's so expensive, I bought some extra HDMI cable so I don't have to pull, just be gentle with the pins on this thing, because I want it to last a long time with the amount of money I paid for the thing. Another thing about this, I took it to some relatives' house and I just plugged it into their antenna system and just tested it on all their TVs. Most TVs were working for it, except for my one small TV monitor would not pick up the signal on this thing, which was sad. I was able to pick it up through the HomeWorks box, but still kind of sad that I wasn't able to pick it up. So please give this video a like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to set up your own TV system for, say, you want to distribute your satellite signal or whatever you might want to do, this is something you can look into on how to do that. Alright, now we are going to do an unboxing video. Let's see what's in the box. Ah! It's a snake! Oh no, not a snake! Ah! 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 It's biting my face! Ah! Oh no, a snake! Ah! Ah! Please like, share, and subscribe, and check out my Facebook page, Robbie Strikes Videos, and share the videos there with all of your friends.